Apple might be about to do something that completely changes how we use iPhones forever, and that shift could start with the iPhone 18 series. If this new iPhone 18 Pro leak is real, Apple could effectively eliminate no-service zones, not by building more cell towers, but by tapping directly into satellites. According to a new leak on X, Apple is reportedly in talks with SpaceX to integrate Starlink satellite connectivity directly into the iPhone 18 Pro models launching in 2026, and this isn't coming from some random rumor account. The information comes from Doge Designer, an X profile known for closely tracking everything around Elon Musk's companies, and an account that Elon himself frequently retweets. That doesn't make it official, but in the world of tech leaks, it definitely adds weight and credibility. Here's where things get serious. Apple is reportedly exploring integration with SpaceX's Starlink direct-to-cell technology. Not just basic emergency SOS. Not just simple off-grid texting. We're talking about broader satellite connectivity built directly into the iPhone 18 Pro. If you've been following iPhone satellite features, you know Apple started experimenting with this back on the iPhone 14, but that system was extremely limited. Low bandwidth, emergency-only, text-based communication. This rumor points to something very different. SpaceX's direct-to-cell satellites are designed to talk directly to normal smartphones. No bulky satellite phone, no giant external antenna, no weird specialized case. Your iPhone 18 Pro would connect to satellites in orbit almost the same way it connects to a regular cell tower. And here's the part most people are missing. A recently surfaced Apple patent filing reportedly details advanced satellite communication mechanisms. In simple terms, that means your iPhone could seamlessly switch between ground-based towers and Starlink satellites without you doing anything and without dropping signal. Imagine this in real life. You're driving through rural highways where your current phone always says, "No service." You're hiking deep into the mountains with 0 towers nearby. You're offshore fishing in Florida or sailing miles away from the coastline. Instead of staring at a dead signal icon, your iPhone 18 Pro quietly jumps from terrestrial networks to space-based Starlink coverage. Your phone just works. That completely changes what coverage means. Right now, Apple already offers emergency SOS via satellite, but again, that's text only, very low bandwidth designed strictly for life or death emergency situations. This rumored Apple x SpaceX Starlink collaboration would reach far beyond emergencies and move toward general satellite data usage, even if it starts with limited speeds or capped plans, and that has massive implications. For consumers, it could eliminate dead zones in many parts of the world. For Apple, it would give the iPhone 18 Pro a unique selling point that no simple camera or battery spec bump could ever match. For SpaceX, it would instantly put Starlink connectivity inside, potentially hundreds of millions of devices, accelerating adoption overnight and solidifying Starlink as a global network layer for everyday smartphones. Now, historically, Elon Musk and Apple CEO Tim Cook haven't exactly been partners. There's been tension around App Store policies, fees, and public comments. But technology doesn't care about past drama. If there's mutual benefit, deals get done. And timing-wise, this actually makes sense. SpaceX has been gradually rolling out direct-to-cell satellite capabilities, testing with carriers and refining. The tech.Apple has been quietly investing in satellite infrastructure since it first introduced emergency SOS via satellite with the iPhone 14.A 2026 launch window for the iPhone 18 Pro lines up perfectly with Apple's major hardware cycles and SpaceX's Starlink expansion roadmap. If this happens, it wouldn't just be another Pro spec like a slightly brighter screen or another camera mode. It would redefine what a smartphone is capable of. For decades, mobile coverage has depended on towers. No towers nearby? No service? Remote areas? Good luck. Out at sea? Forget it. If Apple and SpaceX pull this off, coverage would start to depend on satellites in Earth's orbit instead of just ground-based infrastructure. Of course, we have to be clear, nothing is officially confirmed yet. Right now, this information is circulating through Tech Insiders X, accounts that closely follow Musk's ecosystem leaks tied to profiles with a history of accurate reporting, but given the source's track record, plus the fact that this account often gets boosted by Elon Musk himself, This rumor carries more weight than the usual noise you see online. If Apple actually integrates Starlink direct-to-cell into the iPhone 18 Pro, no service could realistically become a rare sight, or even a thing of the past in many regions, and that would make it one of the biggest iPhone upgrades we've seen in years, far more impactful than just another camera lens or a slightly faster chip. Now the real question is, would you pay a few $100s more for true iPhone 18 Pro satellite connectivity via Starlink, or are you completely satisfied with traditional tower-based networks and standard 5G coverage? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next one.